Hello everyone, welcome back to Harika's home cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make egg parathas. So let's quickly run into the ingredients and check out the process now. So I have taken a bowl and adding 2 cups of whole wheat flour and then adding tablespoon of salt. This is around 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil and give it a good mix. First let's mix all the dry ingredients well. Then let's add warm water. Here I'm taking warm water to mix the dough, and we have to mix it like a soft chapati dough. The dough shouldn't be much harder, it should be very soft. When you press it, it should go in softly. So I'm kneading my dough here well. Once I'm done kneading the dough, I added a little bit of oil and mixed it well and kept it aside. So now I'm chopping onion and tomatoes and cilantro and green chili. So we are going to make an omelette batter now. So it is actually same as we make omelette, the batter which we make for omelettes, the egg mixture. So I'm chopping onions finely and I'm chopping the green chilies. Actually I'm not using all of the onions I chopped. I feel it's a little bit more, so I left a little bit behind. And I'm chopping the cilantro here, chop it finely. Then I'm chopping my tomatoes, chop it finely into tiny pieces. After I'm done chopping my tomatoes, I'm making the egg mixture now. So I have taken a bowl, adding 6 eggs in it. Add all the eggs in the same bowl. After adding my eggs, I'm adding salt, chili powder, red chili powder. You can add according to your taste. Then I'm adding little bit of milk to give the soft egg omelette texture. Then add your onions, add your tomatoes, add your cilantro and chopped green chilies, and whisk it well until you see the foamy texture of the eggs. Whisk it properly. Then I have taken my dough, which is already kneaded and kept aside. So take your dough and start rolling it by dipping the powder as you make your regular chapatis. So to make sure you're not sticking to the rolling pan and the pin, you have to add the flour in between and roll it. So after rolling it, I'm showing you here the 2 different shapes which I do regularly. So after that, after rolling your chapati, add the olive oil or whatever oil you use and spread it properly. Then also sprinkle some of the whole wheat flour in it too, and fold it as I have shown you here, and then again roll it flat. So we are adding the olive oil and the flour to make sure we are having enough layers. So when we fry these chapatis, we get layers and we have to peel those layers and put the egg mixture in it. That's what we are going to see now. So roll it properly and then keep it aside, and I'm going to show you another shape. This is a triangular shape. Most of them already know this shape well. So roll it properly and do the same way as I have shown you in the first one. So sprinkle some oil, spread it evenly. So if you don't have that kind of brush, you can use your fingers to spread the oil and fold it, and then again dip in the powder and just roll it flat and thin as much as you can. We don't need any thick chapatis here, we need very thin chapatis, so make it thin as much as possible. So we are done rolling now. Let's go to the next step. So here is my pan. I am slightly frying on both the sides and then taking it out in a plate. So this is a very tricky part, but you should be very patient. So I can do it on the pan because I'm used to it, but it's hot. The steam might be coming out from there and you might burn your hands. So keep it in a plate and then take out the layers. Again, put it back on the pan and put your egg mixture in it and cook it in very low flame, like very low to medium flame, so that you're not burning the chapati out and not cooking properly the egg mixture inside. We have to make sure we are cooking the egg mixture inside, or else it stays raw when you eat. So make sure you're cooking it in a low flame. After a while, add some oil, spread some oil, and yeah, cook until the mixture is well cooked, and serve it in a plate. You can eat as it is, or you can also cut into half and then serve as you wish. So I'm making another one. So I forgot to mention you here, in the egg mixture you can also add cheese, shredded cheese. It tastes much more good for the kids. If you have kids in your home, you can try that way too. Add some more cheese in the egg mixture and just do the same way. I just forgot to add this cheese. I added later for my kids. Yeah, this is the way I make my egg parathas. Ready to serve now. They look very yummy, right? Aren't they? So please do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.